Hello everyone, Kim with Kim Guyman Travel, and I wanted to talk a little bit about a post I did on my blog the other day at kimguymantravel.com. It was about how guided tours, so small groups, we're talking 40 or less, guided tours are becoming a really popular way to go. With something like almost half of Gen X and older wanting to take them, and like 92% who have taken them wanting to take another one. And even the younger generations, we're approaching about, I don't know, I can't remember, it was 35, 40%, thinking it's a good idea. People are over DIY travel. It's so stressful to plan how to get from point A to point B in a place you have never been before. And there's just a lot of things that you may not know. Like I heard of somebody the other day who forgot to get their international driving permit and they rolled into a country that required it. They couldn't pick up their car. So just those little details that are almost impossible to know unless you're a professional. So people are turning to these guided tours on luxury coaches, with Wi-Fi, 4.5, sometimes 5-star hotels. Your luggage is dropped off in your room and then picked up in the hall the next day or 2 days later, however long you stay. And you're not dragging on and off trains and all this stuff. You're just kind of you're getting VIP access, you're getting some exclusive experiences, and you're really getting a lot of free time. I mean, people are always concerned. In fact, last night after I wrote that post, I got on to YouTube, just regular YouTube, and there's a movie from 1969 called If It's Tuesday, This Must Be Belgium. It's hilarious. It's stupid. It's like Rotten Tomatoes with 60%. But it's actually kind of hilarious, and it includes one of my favorite actresses, Patricia Routledge, who played Hyacinth Bouquet in Keeping Up Appearances, a British show from the 90s, and she is in full Hyacinth Bouquet glory. She's got one personality in her shows. So it's about this tour group from America with Whirlwind Tours, and they are doing something like 9 countries in 2 weeks. It's a crazy schedule. They're running from place to place, but it starts out in London, and then they're doing a little river cruise down the Rhine. And it's really kind of fun for me to see these places in 1969. For example, there's a little castle down the middle of the Rhine in the upper middle Rhine Valley that is just gross and dirty. Now it is painted white with these pink little scallops and stuff. It was just fun to see. But the movie's kind of fun. It's free on YouTube. And it is the antithesis of today's guided tours. You're not running from place to place. You are pampered, quite frankly, and taken well care of. Most of them are going to include breakfast every day with some dinners that are special, and you're on your own for lunch almost every day. So that means you have plenty of free time. So if you're thinking about how can I travel and not have it be so stressful, reach out. Let's find a guided tour for you. My favorite company is adding over 100 tours in the next year or two, and they already have hundreds. And so it's clearly the demand is growing. So reach out to me at kimguymantravel.com and let's explore some guided tours for you. It might be time for you to start letting someone else plan your travel. Have a great day.